G'day everybody, how are you? This is a tyre. It's black, it's round. You find them on things like cars, buses, trains, skateboards, push bikes. They're kind of important if you want to actually move and stop and steer and stuff. This is the ground. It's really, really hot. And if you haven't noticed already, these ones are not the standard tyres that come with the car. This car is now 40,000 k's old. The original set pretty much just wore out, essentially. This tyre is 10 centimetres wider. It's more grippier apparently, and it's costing us about 20 watt-hours per kilometre in efficiency. But the point of this video isn't really about tyres, it's basically just a behind-the-scenes look on what goes on when it comes to changing these bad boys. Yeah, I know, I should have said 10 millimetres, not centimetres. So I guess if you're not going to change tyres yourself, the first place is to find a place that sells tyres. We found this place very close by that sells a brand of tyres I liked, the Bridgestone Potenzas RE003s, high performance tyres. I've used them before on WRXs and Mazda RX-7s, things like that. And also I was quite surprised when the mechanic asked if I had the pucks, which of course we do. We got these set pretty cheap off eBay. You can get them at numerous places, Amazon, all sorts of stuff like that. I think you can even get them from Tesla themselves. So if you're going to have the car up on a hoist for any period of time, yes, use the pucks. Once the car's up on the hoist, you can have a look around under the car. It's actually quite interesting under the Model 3, rather smooth under there. And also, take the wheels off, because that does make life easier when changing the tyres. Once the wheels are off, check out the brakes, their brakes. Then the wheel and tyre goes onto one of these weird machines that I think it basically just pops the bead and gets the tyre off the rim. Now interestingly enough, the original Tesla tyres had foam inserts glued into the outer edge of the tyre, as you can see here. To be honest, with the new tyres, I don't think these foam things really did much to make the car any quieter. So I've noticed no difference with the new tyres. Oh, and also, did you know Tesla had their own valve caps with their little O-ring at the end of them? And you can easily tell the difference between the original Tesla ones and the aftermarket ones.
That's a factory one, that's aftermarket, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. And if you're curious, this is what the tyre pressure measurement system units look like actually inside the wheel. Then the new tyre and wheel go onto the spinny thing to stop the shaky things when you're driving. It's basically telling the operator where to put wheel weights on the wheel to make sure they're perfectly balanced. The laser tells it to go.
And the left side, 45 as well, also on here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then...
Okay, so what happened here has really shocked me. And yeah, it's the first time I've ever seen this happen, to be honest. It really is shocking. I mean, he's actually using a torque wrench to drop the wheel nuts. Once all four tyres are fitted and balanced, inflated to the recommended air pressure and put back onto the car, it's time to put the car over on the wheel alignment machine. Now tyres had pretty good even wear across all four tyres, so wheel alignment probably isn't required, but it's part of the deal with the new tyres, free wheel alignment, so let's get the wheels aligned. Okay, I'm not going to lie, I have absolutely no idea what any of this equipment does or how it works, but let's have a quick look around underneath the car. But it is interesting to note that there is an arrow pointing forward, so if you do manage to run over somebody, you know, being silent and all, they know which direction you went, I guess. After all the initial readings, the wheel alignment proved to be pretty much within tolerance, apparently. But the mechanic decided to make a very few fine adjustments to pretty much get it back to exact. Which also gave the opportunity to have a look around under the covers and have a look at the rear motor, which is pretty interesting. Oh, yes. So that's it, wheel alignment complete. Shafts are lubed, all the nuts are tight, cars are taken off the hoist now, so it's time to head in the office and hand over some hard-earned cash. Okay, we've done a few kilometres since I've edited this video. Basically found, as mentioned earlier, it's costing about 20 watt-hours per kilometre in efficiency. The tyres are 10 millimetres wider, and we probably use a lot more traction than the original ones. So that's the look behind the scenes of changing your shoes on a Tesla Model 3. If you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe and all the usual crap people say at the end of videos. Take care of yourselves and your family, and I'll see you all later. Bye.